Today we're going to practice the first 6 sounds in phase 3. Let's practice the sounds. J, jack in a box. V, vulture. W, worm. X, exercise. Y, yak. Z, zip. Now let's practice phase 3 tricky words. He, she, we, me, be, you, all, are, her, was, they, and my. Let's do it again in a different order. All, be, she, we, are, me, you, he, was, my, her, and they. Okay, now we're going to play the matching game. Let's have a look at what the pictures are. Jam, jet, taxi, vet, zip, box, web. Let's read the first word. Have a go first. Vet, vet. Well done. Have a go at the next word. Taxi, taxi. Sound out this word. Jet, jet. Web. Zip, zip. Box, box. Jam. Okay, now you're going to practice writing some of these words. You can pause the video at any time. The first word I'd like you to write is jet. Jet, jet. Next word is vet. Vet. Write the word web. Web. Now write the word zip. 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 And the last word I'd like you to write is yes. Yes. Well done, everyone.